This video is to show you how to take apart the dashboard on a 2017 to 2020 Nissan Rogue. The reason I'm doing this is all just to replace this little light in the glove box. So the first step you would need to do is pull your climate control module out. It's best to grab it from underneath and just pull straight out. This will pop out. Then this piece for your start button pops right out. Grab it from down here. This piece is hard to get off. I recommend grabbing it from right here behind it so that you don't damage this piece and just working it off. The reason all this needs to come apart is because the top half of the glove box goes behind the radio. Right here there's a clip that the radio clips into. So you need to take out the 4 screws on the radio, pull the radio out, and there's five or six screws down here that need to come out. And then this piece is going to pop out. Make sure you take off this side panel as well. And if you need to remove this for any reason, like if you want to wire something up to the power outlet or remove this to repair, this just pops right out. A bunch of clips hold it in. Remove the upper half of the glove box. I just released these 4 clips on top. Make sure you move the radio out of the way to get that out. And then just pull down on this and the whole piece will come out. And as you see, this is your light right here. Just replace the bulb and put it back together in reverse order.